It's 8 o'clock and I'm sitting on a street alone while the mosquitoes are biting me. Guys, so I'm deciding just to counter this loneliness, I'm gonna start vlogging. I'm just gonna vlog everything like the stuff that I, you know, call my friends and tell them about. I'm gonna vlog that and, gonna upload it on YouTube. Maybe people like me would be interested knowing my thoughts, watching me, interested in what's going on in my life. So today I had my eye test done because like a week back, my friend told me that, I actually asked him that how he got specs, how he realized that he needs to get his eyes checked. So he told me that one day he was sitting on his table, rubbing his eyes, and when after rubbing his eyes he saw the clock. The clocks have company names on it. He wasn't able to read it from his one eye, so he told me about this, and even I did that. I was that time actually making fun of him because I had my last eye test done like Diwali 2020. I was like, yeah, I'm not getting any specs. My eyes are all good. It's all good. But suddenly, after 1 week, it happened to me also. I realized that I was also not able to read the company's name from my right eye. So after that, I decided, just to go to the hospital and get it checked. And yep, the doctor prescribed me a minus 0.75 power. My right eye. My left eye is completely fine. No, it feels like I never wanted a specs on my face, to be honest. It completely changes your appearance. But the doctor has prescribed you have to use it constantly. I think I have to accept that I have to wear specs now forever. I shouldn't say this, but it feels like AIDS that's gonna be with you all your life till you die, I guess. And after that, an argument with my dad. I cried. Yep, I cried. And then in the evening, I decided, just lighten up the mood. So I went for jogging. So after jogging, when I went back to my house, I saw there was a lock on the main door. I was like, whoa, they did not tell me. My parents did not tell me that they are going somewhere. At least they should have told me, No, so I was sitting on the street. I'm all alone right now. It's like 8:30 or something. I hope they come back soon. I talk to my friends. I tell them about my whatever I did in that particular day. Whatever interesting thing that happened to me. So yeah, I think this is quite therapeutic for me. Talking to the camera, telling what experiences I had today. So yeah, that's it. And also one thing more. I haven't eaten anything like past 2 days. Yep, my stomach is completely empty. I drink water just so that I feel full. And let me tell you, never drink that much water because like in 3 hours I went to the toilet like 15 times. That was quite bad. That's it. And also, okay, all these, whatever awful things happened to me. But one good thing that happened to me is I lost like 10 kgs now. My weight was earlier like 94 kgs when I weighed it in February, but now it's 83.8. So like I've managed to lose 10 kgs, and my aim is, taking small steps. But my actual aim is like 64 kgs or like 66, to be honest. I want to look skinny, tired of being fat. This one thing could happen. So now my target is to get like 74. I lost 10 kgs in like 3 months. Now let's see how much time will it take to lose another 10 kgs. That is to get to 74 kgs. So that's it in this video. Just a small update about my life. Maybe I'll start vlogging daily or maybe whenever I feel like to. I hope you guys like it. Please make sure to hit like, subscribe me, and hit the bell icon. Not somebody else neighbor's bell, but this bell icon, so you never miss any episode. Whoa, am I Netflix that I'm saying that? Yeah, whatever. I think that was my driver. That cycle man was my driver. So I think my parents are at home now. I'm on my way to home. Peace.